The drag and drop feature of eFileMadeEasy makes filing pleadings with your state ePortal a simple click and drag operation. This feature allows you to simply grab a file and drag it into the eFileMadeEasy window. It's as simple as that. Let's see how it works. With eFileMadeEasy open, simply grab the file you want to eFile and drag it into the eFileMadeEasy app. We recommend you save your file as a PDF before using the drag and drop feature to avoid any formatting issues. But you can drop your Word doc and docx files and they will be converted to PDF, as we will never file your Word document. The file will be scrubbed of all metadata and transferred securely. Once the file is in the eFileMadeEasy queue, you simply select the eFile button and approve the filing. That's all there is to it. Your document will be e-filed with the state portal and e-served to your service list.